Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment things. Guys, Khopolo reports awards. Cindy Dlatu breaks her own record. Guys, we all love Cindy Dlatu. Okay, let me read it nicely. Cindy Dlatu breaks her own record. In 2023, the actress set the South African Film and Television Awards record as the only actor, male or female, to have a SAFTA's nomination for the same role all seasons of the show. Like, Bona, only person. Dlatu has cemented that record by climbing the nomination for the River's sixth and final season. She has now been nominated for the sixth time for Best Actress in a telenovela for playing Lindiwe Dikana at the river. Guys, Lindiwe Dikana nailed that role. She nailed it when she was happy. She nailed it when she was sad. And I think she's also going to nail the one on Queendom because she's a support or something or whatever. Like, her role is not to on our faces that much, but Girl is nailing it on Queendom already. Wow, Cindy Dlatu. Please do like, share, and subscribe.